Welcome to Ekta Electrical Controls, manufacturer and exporter of bus duct and control panels. The company was established in the year 2012. Our products are in adherence to the international standards, and we are backed by cutting-edge technology and transparent business dealings. We are well known in the market for our quality-assured products, hassle-free operations and market-leading prices. We offer a wide assortment of home automations, bus ducts, and MS panel cabinets. Our control panel and distribution boards are extremely reliable. We also provide control and automatic panels that are in huge demand across the global markets. We have gained tremendous expertise in providing home automations that are widely demanded in the market. Our bus ducts are reckoned all over the world for their superb quality. Our organization is highly involved in providing an impeccable range of MS panel cabinets and boxes. To get the best deal, log on at www.indiamart.com/Ekta Electrical Controls.